Welcome to Geo's Family Review. Sub, like, and notification. No.
I'm launching.
No.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Geo.
Practice round.
Daddy.
Oh, wow.
That was a good one.
Wow.
Dita.
Daddy did a humongous one.
Daddy has long shoes on. That helps.
Hey,
The more air you
Hey.
get out of that thing, the better you are.
what's up?
I just hit my heel on there.
What's up? Today we have rocket launching part 2 again. And today
Yeah, but I
we-
got the blue
and to-
rockets, homie.
No, and today we're using blue rockets. So I may have extra power. Who knows? So, let's get on the video. Papa,
Plastic drink
Papa, quiet.
What? I don't want to hold it.
Yes, you have to. Please.
He said, please.
Dear.
I'm going down? Sure?
Did he say going down, homie?
I'll even beat you left-footed. You're baloney, homie. Oh. You sure?
That, look at the Malibu.
Alright, that was a practice round.
No, it wasn't. That was a game.
That was a practice round, kids.
That was a game, kids. So next
Wrong phone.
is me, this Dita. Alright, wait, Dad, you have to hold the phone because it's me versus Dita.
What's wrong with Papa holding the phone?
I got
Let's
the
see.
pimples. Alright, Papa, hold up.
On your mark.
You're going down to Chinatown.
Get set, go.
Oh, someone
Tita
was
won.
weak sauce.
I
That one almost hit Grandma.
won. So now we have a bush.
Who is blue?
Who blew that?
Who was the blue one?
They both blew.
Oh, somebody take a yellow
Get
one.
a yellow one, so we'll do it again.
Yeah.
Yellow. Get yellow, so we do it again.
But the yellow ones are cracked. I stepped on both of them.
What?
Hashtag I stepped on both of them.
Hashtag, I think they still work.
Hashtag buy your own.
No, wait.
Step long ways,
You
dear.
cannot do- Huh?
Down- Like on the long ways,
That's
not
how I've been stepping
sideways.
it. That's how I've been stepping.
There.
2, 1. Oh, enough. Looks like Gio
This went fire.
Who is blue?
Dita?
Well, blue went higher.
No. But it didn't land long.
Just so you know, I never have won.
Oh man.
So we both get half points.
Okay,
Ding ding.
again. Let's see who wins. I'm
No,
blue.
it's half points. We already did it. Half point. Alright, next is Dad vs. Dita. Alright, so let me do this one. Alright, Dada, come up.
I'm gonna win.
It's your step.
Hold on.
It's just step it up.
Hold on. I'm gonna win.
Yeah.
Let's talk to the peeps. Gio, talk to the peeps. Here you go, Mom.
Who's going down to Chinatown today?
Mine is yellow.
No. Yes. I stepped on that one. By the way. 3, 2, 1. And they're off.
The blue didn't even launch.
Rod
The
won.
blue one didn't win.
Oh, Rod didn't win at all.
Wait a minute. Something is wrong with the setup.
Something was wrong with the setup. You guys, something was wrong with the setup. Something was wrong with the setup, so we're gonna launch again. Blast off!
There you go. It's a little better.
Alright. Was that practice?
That's good enough.
No. It's only been 4:23.
Gio, let's just keep it. Now it's
No,
just play.
Dada!
No.
Dada, no!
Gio, you can stay out and play with it.
Alright, so last round. Last round.
Okay.
It's gonna be me, Dita, and Dad. So how we're gonna do this is the blue and Dita's gonna be what?
Wait, so I don't have a team?
No. So Dad's gonna go like there, and I'm gonna place
Maybe
another
Tiki can
blue
go twice.
Alright, Dad.
Last round.
3, 2, 1, bang.
Wait, what happened to mine? What happened to mine? Tina gets to go twice.
No.
No, go, Gio, hurry up.
Tita, come on. Hurry. I already got it.
I don't know. Go, Mom. Don't step on the blue. Whoa.
I think I went higher this time.
I think
Alright,
that was a replay.
Okay, mine's a replay.
Alright, I think that was a replay.
Shit.
I think we're gonna do a replay round. Replay round.
Okay.
Replay
Alright,
round.
go, Gio. Go. Oh, for me or for you?
Both.
Okay.
Both of us.
Last round.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
That was about the same. Maybe the blue one, maybe a little bit.
All right, Joe, your turn.
Alright, me, Tita. 20.
Go, Tita.
By the way, Tita, I'm gonna win. I think. You're gonna die in Chinatown, baby.
Okay, go, Tita.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Heads up! All right, Joe, go close out your video.
If you like and subscribe so you don't miss a video from me, and hit the notification bells. Like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and goodbye.